Love rarely disappears in an argument. It fades in silence. It withdraws in subtle shifts that most people sense before they admit. The quiet is what hurts the most. When someone no longer loves you, the first change is not what they say. It is what they stop saying. The warmth that once filled ordinary conversations begins to thin. Responses become functional instead of intimate. You feel it before you can prove it. There is a distance that words cannot fully explain. You begin asking yourself if you are imagining it. But your intuition rarely invents emotional absence. The second sign is the loss of curiosity. When love is alive, interest is effortless. They ask about your day, your thoughts, your struggles. When love fades, curiosity becomes mechanical or disappears entirely. You begin to notice you are carrying the emotional weight. You initiate connection more often. You explain yourself more than you used to. Effort starts to feel one-sided. Affection also shifts. It becomes timed rather than natural. Physical closeness may remain, but emotional presence feels absent. You can be next to someone and feel completely alone. Silence grows louder. You stop sharing small details because the response feels hollow. The laughter that once came easily now feels forced. Moments that used to feel alive begin to feel rehearsed. Another sign is subtle defensiveness. They become irritated by questions that once felt normal. Conversations that once flowed now end quickly. Patience becomes scarce. When someone no longer loves you, they stop protecting the bond. They stop correcting misunderstandings quickly. They allow tension to linger instead of repairing it. Repair requires care. Love makes you attentive to harm. It makes you careful with tone and timing. When love fades, attentiveness weakens. Care becomes optional. You may begin blaming yourself. You analyze your behavior. You wonder what you could have done differently. But love does not disappear because of one imperfect moment. It fades through internal withdrawal. And that withdrawal often begins long before you see it. Another silent sign is emotional neutrality. They are no longer angry, but they are no longer deeply invested either. Indifference replaces intensity. And indifference is colder than conflict. Conflict at least signals engagement. Indifference signals detachment. Detachment signals departure. You may still hear the words "I love you." But the energy behind them feels altered. Words remain, but conviction weakens. The body language shifts too. Eye contact shortens. Touch becomes less frequent. Proximity loses meaning. Love is felt in presence. When presence fades, the absence is unmistakable. You begin to mourn something that has not officially ended. And that mourning is lonely. Because nothing dramatic has happened. There was no explosion. Just erosion. The most painful part is questioning your perception. You hesitate to confront what you feel. You fear being wrong more than being hurt. But denial delays clarity. And clarity, even when painful, restores power. Seeing truth allows you to act with dignity. If someone no longer loves you, their withdrawal is not your failure. It is their internal shift. Love cannot be forced into existence. You cannot convince someone to feel what they no longer feel. You cannot negotiate affection. And you should not have to beg for warmth. The silent signs are not meant to shame you. They are signals meant to awaken you. They are invitations to preserve your self-respect. Loving someone deeply is not weakness. Staying where love has disappeared is self-abandonment. There is a difference. You deserve reciprocity. You deserve presence. You deserve a love that does not require constant proof. If someone has withdrawn emotionally, let the silence speak. Do not chase what is already leaving. Dignity is stronger than desperation. And here is the part that matters most. If someone no longer loves you, it does not mean you are unlovable. It means that connection has reached its limit with that person. Limits are not verdicts on your worth. The sun still rises even when one chapter closes. Your capacity for love remains intact. The right person will not fade quietly, they will show up consistently. The silent signs are painful. But they also protect you. Because they tell you when to stop pouring into an empty space. And when to begin choosing yourself again.